brought to you by... There are some things money can't buy. For everything else, there's Mastercard. In association with...
Nikai Electronics and Home Appliances. The Mr. Reliable in your life.
Hi, I'm Maithili and welcome to Mastercard City Life. I'm here at State Drive Road. Being one of the most busiest streets in Dubai, it is home to the most famous skyscrapers across the UAE. It is well known for its famous hotels and buildings. Main attraction of the State Drive Road would be the unique design and construction of skyscrapers and buildings. The famous buildings and hotels make this place most famous tourist attraction. Home to the most famous buildings, hotels and towers, this is the most busiest place in Dubai. It is a business hub and a place to go for shopping. That is why it's the most busiest place in Dubai. At all hours, this is always busy. It is never found quiet or empty. As Sheikh Zayed Road is famous for its buildings. It is also well known for its world-famous food outlets and coffee shops. In today's fast and mechanical life, we often tend to develop different eating and drinking habits. Along with this comes different dental problems, commonly found in the acid erosion. And in this episode of City Life, we're going to tell you about how and what exactly acid erosion is and how to prevent it.
Acid erosion is caused by the acids present in today's modern diet. These acids act on the surface of the teeth, softening the tooth enamel, thereby wearing it away. The difference between tooth decay and acid erosion. Tooth decay is caused by the specific bacteria present in our mouth. These bacteria convert the sugar and carbohydrates into acids. These acids act on the surface of the tooth, dissolving them, causing tooth decay. Whereas acid erosion is not caused by bacteria. Acid erosion is caused by the acids in the food. These acids act on the surface of the tooth, softening the enamel and wearing it away. Acid erosion affects all types of people in adults, and anyone with natural teeth will always show some signs of acid erosion. Children are more prone to acid erosion. This is because the enamel is less mineralized in their teeth. To a naked eye, the tooth might look very normal, but there are certain signs that you could look for acid erosion. The tooth might have a slightly shiny or polished look. It might have either rounded edges on the surface of the tooth. Also, you might also find a slight yellow discoloration. This is because the enamel is lost and the underlying dentine is exposed. In certain cases for children, you might find a slight translucent edge of the teeth and also pointed edges. And if you look at the first permanent molar, you might find it as a very weakened tooth. But if you neglect the problem of acid erosion, it could get worse. We always recommend you try and take steps to prevent acid erosion from getting worse, and we also recommend you see your dentist every 6 months. We advise the children not to swish any drinks that they consume in their mouth over a long period of time. If they do need to drink fizzy drinks, we advise them to use a straw which is directed away from the teeth towards the back of the mouth. In case they are brushing their teeth, we always recommend to brush their teeth 1 hour after consuming any acidic food, because if you do brush immediately after eating any acidic food, it wears away the enamel since the enamel is already softened. Also, we advise regular dental checkups and brushing with Sensodyne Pro Enamel toothpaste twice a day.
Radio 657 AM എല്ലാ ദിവസവും എല്ലാ നിമിഷവും ഗൾഫിലുടനീളം